Guys, we are going to Hyderabad for hackathon. Me and my friends are ready, and I'm going to Hyderabad after 6 years. So hopefully this hackathon will be good. My friends coming to pick me up. Let's go see how this journey is gonna be. Right now? Yeah.
Does it record video, audio also? Sorry.
Yeah.
Guys.
We'll go to Hyderabad.
Yeah. Before FX.
The good thing is, we still didn't book the Hello. Sanjay, what is your prediction? 75 for me, bro. Extra good. Hello. Hi, Sashank.
So yeah, guys, we are in Yeshwanthpur metro. Yeah. Here there is Srinidhi, here Sanjay, here me, myself.
Priyanshu not told he reached at 12, but he reached Majestic.
Yeah, he didn't check the PDF, and then he went to Majestic, thinking that's the place where we are gonna depart. Anyways, right now we are in the station, as you guys can see. We just got out from the metro station. We are in railway station. Let's see what our journey upholds, bro.
Okay, we reached. Inna nam Priyanshu na bandila. Priyanshu is already late.
Yeah,
He mostly reached. Anna was early, but he reached the wrong station.
yeah.
Great person he is. So we are going to Vande Bharat, but he is like cleaning ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ. So we need to wait. Brother, where did you go for Majestic, brother? This is Yeshwanthpur.
Yeah.
It's not Majestic. Come on, bro. ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ?
I don't know, just to learn something.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಕತ್ತೊಂದು ದಿನ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾಳೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Oh yeah, what is our problem statement? How what? You know, I told first time is yeah.
Okay. Nice view. Yeah, Srinidhi.
యశ్వంత్పూర్ స్టేషన్ నుండి ప్రయాణించే యాత్రికులందరికీ స్వాగతం.
Showing that I'm not able to do because receiver's bank is not supporting. Same. Hopefully we go back to Bangalore. Why is this costly?
When you see two toppers today,
This is how it will be.
place from where you get all the stones up to build your house. Guys, I don't know what's happening. Life update. He doesn't know what's happening. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. But let's see how it goes.
బ్యాగ్లు సామాను స్నాక్ టేబుల్ పై పెట్టరాదు మరియు నిద్ర విశ్రాంతి కోసం స్నాక్ టేబుల్ల సహాయం తీసుకోరాదు. దీని వలన స్నాక్ టేబుల్స్ పాడవుతాయి మరియు ఇతరులకు అసౌకర్యాన్ని కలిగిస్తుంది. ధన్యవాదాలు. यात्रियों कृपया ध्यान दें, आपके सफर के दौरान बैग सामान रखने
On camera, bro, you will get 47 LPA. If you get less than that,
Hey,
Sanjay, see bro, we both will get I'll get 6 LPA, you'll get 15 LPA, you'll get 47 LPA, we'll give you 50%.
how much you will get? 6. 6.
Today, the ಪಕ್ಷದಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ 6, 5, 4
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡ
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಷ್ಣು finally in Hyderabad. I mean, it's not. It is Hyderabad. Hyderabad, buddy.
He's Hyderabad. Finally, let's go.
Finally, Hyderabad.
Okay. Now we should book cab and we need to go out of Hyderabad for IIT Hyderabad.
IIT Hyderabad. Out of Hyderabad. In college, guys. So, guys, we are in Hyderabad's railway station.
Let me do
Okay. Yeah. This is one Gandu. These two are also, maybe I'll go if they're Gandu or not later. I need more time. I am one and only legend. We are in Kanchigoda station. Oh, that was our train, Vande Bharat. Yeah. Station is big. We are proceeding towards taking cab. Hey, did you book cab? Cab. Fine. Hopefully we get cab.
Anna's Telugu automatically comes out.
Yeah. If you are in that
Okay.
particular land, no, that language just comes out naturally.
ఏంది బిడ్డ నాతోనే ఆటలాడుతున్నా.
When you are in Tamil Nadu, enna da, enna ma comes off easily.
Okay, this is the railway station, Kachiguda railway station. It looks too good.
If someone has bottle, keep that front.
The rail bath down ilva. Extra itto.
I gave it to you.
Oh, you know that. Huh.
One bottle we have, no? Fine.
Okay, guys, finally.
Let's go. So, me, huh?
Just keep it in hand.
Is it on? You go in, I want out. I will vlogging outside. Chalo.
మళ్ళీ చేంజ్ అయింది 175. Crazy. Sure, I'll do it. Sure, bro. Cool, I'll do it. You already slept off, huh? Crazy sleep. He also slept. I can see.
I didn't.
So, yeah.
What is up, people?
No understood why I didn't.
We are kind of midway.
Charminar.
No, my dad also drives car, no? That's why I didn't negotiate much.
Where are we going?
Why I didn't negotiate? That one.
We are in midway of reaching IIT Hyderabad to drink chai in these people's terms.
Irani chai.
Irani chai.
Too sweet. Cool. Okay.
Gate photo.
Hostel book ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Hostel payment details.
ಇದು IIT ಜಿಮ್ಖಾನಾ ಅಂತ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
IIT Gymkhana. It is, bro.
It will come in cab so that you don't need to
Gate.
So the guy I called, no, he was walking till the front gate itself. So I told you, if a better way, I don't know.
I guess you won't bro. Call but at least okay.
No, ಅವ್ನು ನಡ್ಕೊ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದಬ್ರು. The main thing is he's waiting for the bus to come. Straight up. EGH. While ನಡೆದ.
Shut the fuck up, Sianshu. Shut the fuck up. No, I'm really.
Hostel zone state అండి. ఇది 600 స్ట్రైట్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడేం రోడ్ లేదు, అక్కడ రోడ్ క్లోజ్ స్టేడియం లేదు, దానిలో హాస్టల్ లేదు. Now I understood why the 25 minutes I'll take to walk back. Hostel circle అని చెప్తున్నారు.
No, our college, bro.
Okay. I'll check it. Hello? I'm just going straight. I mean, it's written hostel A and hostel B. I should go to just hostel circle or how is it go? It's written as hostel circle only or no? I am near research center complex. Go straight, okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Like I can see all the red color buildings, the new buildings and the new hostels. Yeah, got it. I'll stay here then. Oh, cool. What? Huh? I'll definitely get girl here, bro.
Yeah.
Me, if I would have joined
You
it.
will get a girl here.
Yeah, I'd become Tinno.
But that foot also should call us. Dreams, Sanjay. Listen to me properly. In your dreams. Okay, so life update. We are in IITH, for which we all would have studied in 11th and 12th. But very few people end up. And yeah, for my preparation, I don't think I would have. Yeah, I didn't get also. That's secondary point. But yeah, bro. But I don't know how I have ended up in IITH for a hackathon. Going through the streets of IITH, I don't regret that I haven't studied, being honest. I don't regret that I should have worked at. But this feeling is like, okay, a bit different. I don't know how to explain. Yeah. So next, this is the hostels here.
कितने hostels? You watch me, you shoot me.
This is कितने hostels भाई इधर भी है उधर भी है उधर भी था. These are hostels here. Just more like apartments.
No, my college is smaller than these hostels.
That's kind of true. Let's not go to our college right now. But yeah, guys, this is IITH car hostels. Do I regret? No, I don't regret. Would I be happy if I would have ended up in one of these? Yeah, I would be. But it's fine.
It's bits like this.
Yeah, fine, maybe. But it's okay, bro.
Next
Maybe, guys, so true talks right now. Maybe there are more things which will be better than these for me in my life. Yeah, I just want to take a vlog of hackathon.
Guys, this is your hostel, fourth floor, okay?
With my 4 bro today. 4 non-hostlers in hostel. Fuck you all. So guys, for the first time, okay.
And
the
last time.
You never know.
No, and last time. He chose the last time. He
So-
never comes out of Bangalore, only what it wants.
I can't relate to that, bro.
I have been.
I was always out of it.
So yeah, we never had been in hostel, and we'll be in hostel today.
Okay. Now we are to find 90 and 92. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕಾಮನ್ ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಗೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಬಾಯ್? Okay, so hello Lashmi. The lift which we came is this one. The other lift was in 6th floor only. Crazy.
They don't want these lights, fans and stuff.
Okay, finally, this is the hostel given to us. It is the old hostel, which is very bad. Can't tell.
So this is the situation we are going. IIT, but treated very badly. Can't tell. This is the old IIT students' room. So here is written, Daddy was here.
This room should be allotted for first and second. Actually, bro, you would have informed before, no, night journey ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
It is piece of mind.
Yeah, sleep.
Okay guys, one last time. We are prepared. PPT is ready. Video demo is ready. Product is working. Everything is
Last
ready.
10 seconds. 9,
Just go.
8, 7,
Present it your best.
6,
We are 5 minutes late,
5,
but you're fine. You're walking.
4, 3,
5 minutes should be fine.
2, 1.
Let's
Stop
do
the
it.
match.
Let's go, Sandy. That is what the event. Okay. This is which the event has been conducted by Tinker's Lab. Okay, we are walking towards the academic block A. So there we have the ground in the auditorium. We are walking. The sun is too harsh because we are at 12:30 p.m. Node called Naba. Sun with a Sanjay. We'll see. I have Srinidhi as my UV rays supporter. Let's do it. Everyone has been prepared. IntelliCredit, IIT Hyderabad, IITians, Vivriti, IIT Madras people, we are coming. This is gonna be good. You didn't treat us well till now. Campus is big. We'll see how we are gonna treat us in the auditorium at least. If you don't give the basic hospitality, having a bigger infrastructure, you are shit to me. Because our college, we provide good hospitality than infrastructure. That is better than poor hospitality. Let's go check it out.
सुरमा बटोरे लग दे छिछोरे बाए हाय फाय दिल पे दराती साडे चल जाती मारे दिल गुलाटी पूछ वाए वाए
After comments.
Yeah, after comments, kind of we just thought that it was only PDF based augmented retrieval, but it was also Excel based. So the thing was, we fucked it up a bit because the formats were wrong. That was one part of the story. Second part of the story, when we were implementing that, we fucked it up. We know that XLSX files doesn't work, but still we put that only instead of PDF files, which we shouldn't have done. Third part is I don't know which kind of retrieval augmented they wanted. We just did RAG system, but they mostly wanted a system where we don't use ML only or LLM only, something like that. I thought they wanted, but we didn't do something like that. But let's see whatever happens.
Well, the thing is, until now, whoever our team has pitched, they're better than.
Hopefully.
Okay, better than the two.
If there is nothing called movement biasing here, then yeah. If there is biasing, then
We can't help.
we can't help.
Just money waste.
Yeah, money waste, total waste.
If the room was good, I would have told money spent to hell, but room was all shit, so yeah. No comparison, money waste. And only if you schedule it will come.
Oh.
That is it, before we go inside. कल वीडियो पापा first they told PPT this is the stupidest room we showed you. Daddy was here and they're leaving this room finally.
Yes guys, we're leaving this room.
7:50 मर गया.
We are leaving IIT Hyderabad. We are rejecting IIT Hyderabad.
We don't want to get graduated from here. Thank you. We are happy without it. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Check everything.
Every team here has demonstrated exceptional creativity, technical capability, and perseverance. Selecting the winners was certainly not an easy task for the judges, but after careful evaluation, we now have the final results.
So we did have a lot of debate. We will go 3-1, the third prize, where the most amount of debate actually happened, and there is a tie between two teams. So the two teams who are at the third position are Press, Grab, and Tic Tac Toe. The second prize goes to Team Dominix.
Golan.
And for the first prize, the team is Praxis Code.
Charminar. We are in Charminar. Hi Srinidhi. Hackathon we didn't win until you were seeing with Charminar. Okay. Sadness at this, but fine. The worst teams won. Can't help. The worst of the worst teams, which we never expected, won the hackathon. So yeah, frustrated at weeks. At least I can see the Charminar, which I didn't miss.
Calm down, yo.
What mistake I made is I should have given him how a cam report looks. Other people are presented in Microsoft Docs with tables and shit. We did some 4 lines with some graphics, which is not required for tax people.
The story, we should go a little low level. Gemini Copilot is higher, bro. ChatGPT.
पर चारमीनार
ಹಾಂ ಬೈ ಹೇ ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್
ಬೈಕ್
ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ರೋಡ್
ಟಯರ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಟಯರ್ಡ್
ಗೈಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಂಜೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ದ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಲಕ್ಕು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೆರಿ
Good for us today.
Yeah.
See, on the brighter side, we left early, so we'll be near bus.
ನೋ ಬ್ರೈಟರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಅದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಮಸ್ಕಾಬನ್ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಓಕೆ ಯಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾ
Bro, tea was
ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಸಂಜಯ್
tea was
ಮಸ್ಕಾಬನ್
Hey, you know, today Arya was like, take Muscavan, and never do. I thought, what will be fun? From today, I'll take. He never took me in college.
No, in college shit, bro, that is famous.
Yeah, it'll be different.
Yeah.
Bun samosa is also.
ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್
ಯಾವ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬಾವರ್ಚಿ ಬ್ರೋ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬಾವರ್ಚಿ
Guys, seriously, your bag, Priyank, Raja Sandhya Airport. You guys, which are already carrying no one. You are that bag, da.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ್ GoPro. Oh, where's GoPro?
Forget. Is that a restaurant? Srinivasa Bharat.
Oh. Zero idea.
Restaurant and bakery. So you have bakery also if you want to get into. Just stop and take it. Same road, not Coorg, 47. Coorg re, now only.
Coorg, you know how we came? Metro beach, if you remember. Bus where? Bus, it stopped there near, you remember? You took rice ka full, what do you say, meals. In the afternoon we took Bhavan.
ನಾನು ತಿಂತೀನಿ ನೀನು ಬೇಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗೋಳಿ ಮಾಂಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್
Oh, it's so bad in this.
Charge is gone.
Oh no, it's there.
Are you recording?
No, yeah, it started recording.
Record me.
But nothing is seen, I
guys.
guess. I don't know.
Oh, nothing is seen. It's okay, you can hear me.
Yeah.
We are going home. Very wholeheartedly, I'm saying. We are going home. I don't know happily or sadly, but we are going home. Srinidhi said if we would have won, we would have ran. I'm sorry, Srinidhi, we are not running. I didn't want to make you waste energy by running.
Thank you, bro.
So, we are walking. Oh, see, bro, this hotel was better. Where we ate. Yo, what is it? Hey, we should have walked here and come to see. So nice it looks.
Parivar Dhaba.
No, it's not even go to Papa, I'll puke, bro. I'll puke. Pan Mahal, oh. Pan
You eat pan, no?
Huh?
You eat pan.
I ate once.
But
Pan you eat, huh? No, I don't eat.
pan you eat.
Nah, bro.
Bye, right now,
Yeah,
apart from
pan.
water,
Ah,
anything I'll puke, bro.
Record ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yeah.
Oh. This is nice.
Where is the driving school?
300 meters more.
3. Shit, bro.
See, I'm saving energy for you.
See, ನಾವು ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹತ್ರ.
No, Srinidhi ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, bro, what if we win that check? We'll go to DTDC and tell them, bring this check to Bangalore.
Take it.
Bring this check to Bangalore.
Without that,
Why, bro? It's too heavy to carry.
Without that, I'm not finishing my engineering, bro. I need that.
Come this way.
I'll come for more hackathons. But next time, we took it very loosely. Next time, I want to take much more serious.
I was so occupied on this fellow.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ Mock you.
Record it. No,
Yeah. I only kept. Okay. Story time. So what happened? In every engineering college, there'll be professors, you know, right?
Yeah.
And then professors have to do one project every year. That also you know, right? Right?
Those uncles with zero knowledge.
Yeah. Those uncles with zero knowledge, those aunties will give this guy project to do. In return, what they'll give? 20 rupees chocolate they'll give.
And when he explains, they don't understand.
Yeah.
Literally, they get 20 rupees chocolate to them.
Yeah. 2 dairy milks. Then
I don't give
like, ask
Shruti.
something big.
ask. Oh. Okay.
What he'll ask? Give me bigger chocolate to give my girlfriend.
He will ask, ma'am, de dijiye ma'am, kuch na kuch, I'll work for you, it's okay. Yes, sir, Priyanshu.
I thought I'd say, ma'am, make day straight me, Vishnu and Bharam.
Yeah.
Rag and all is my foot. I do
Hey,
it in 5 minutes.
adu bidu. Rag, ma'am, you explain ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಮೊನ್ನೆ. 19 years experience ma'am ge.
19 years.
19, no? No. Hey, not 19.
Come 19 years back.
That's the thing, no?
Wow. Okay, bro.
You can go tell the teacher, okay, if she comes and tells, I have experience in AI agency from 15 years ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಅದೇ ತರ
Bali.
AI existed in 1950s.
Oh, by the way, guys, we are in some highway. See the background.
walking to Bangalore.
Yeah, walking to our stop from where we'll catch our bus, VRL bus.
किधर है भाई
In next 12 hours, this person here will be in college, that person there will be going to college to give his internals.
special drop-offs
Yeah,
in front of a college.
yeah. And this guy here,
Me and Sanjay.
I'll get down Aranagar.
this guy will go in happiness to his house, thinking that, Arey bencho, in 2 hours I can wear my new dress and take pics with my girl. And me on the other side, I'll go home and I'll sleep, bro. I'll just sleep. Must. No college ki maa ki chut. I'm not going also to college tomorrow. I'll sleep must. Until then, sayonara.
This is the Paristhiti after losing the winning hackathon, or else we would be in airport till now.
Oh,
That and all plan was there.
we don't give a fuck. 9,000. It's okay, we'll go.
Damn.
Too rich we have become, no?
Yeah, bro.
Right now?
11:30 in Bangalore, 12:13 home.
Outcut. You know right? Outcut.
Awqat ke bahar we thought,
Okay, it happens.
and those judges kept us inside Awqat.
Judges were in Awqat.
Bhai, adenadu?
ಯಾವುದು
ಅದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನದು? ಅದು
ಅದೇ
Bullet. What is up, people? What is up? We are waiting for the bus.
Like I insert all the details.
Sayonara.